guys. I was up late last night editing the Minneapolis video up to about 3:30. That's when I do all my editing, late at night. There's no distractions and I can just sit down and work and concentrate. It takes me about 6 hours to edit a video. So let's walk in here in the shop and see what's going on in here. I think I heard my dad beating on some things, so let's see what's going on. On this corner right here in freestyle, Darren blew a planetary cap apart. And right here you see this ring gear cracked. So now he's putting this nut on here so he actually has something to hammer on to loosen that spindle up and get it out of that knuckle.
Pow.
Pow. Right out. Pow right out. And up here on the front, having issues on this knuckle right here. These are where the knuckle caps and kingpins go in, and they're breaking these studs off. Hit it harder. You need your purse? I think you need your purse to hit that. Nah. These are actually a knuckle strength. These strengthen the knuckles right here. They bolt to the back side of the knuckle to give that knuckle strength. Oh, you win. Oh, my balls! You dropped your balls everywhere. There's your problem.
Yep. Sheared it right off of there.
Yep.
A clean break.
Yep, that'll do it. What they're doing is these threads, there's nothing left of these threads right here. They've basically been stripped down to basically nothing. Now he's running studs through. He's going to take this long bolt here, stick it through here to where he needs it to create a stud, cut it off and then weld it up. That way it's going to be studded and not bolted now. So we had to put a new blower belt on it. Apparently my other one was shredding. And you can see right there it was starting to shred. It's a lot thinner, so luckily we found that and got a new one on it because that could have shut us down. You have to heat that pulley up to be able to pull it off there. And we got a brand new pulley going on, so we have to heat that up and be able to slide it back on that shaft.
Interference fit.
Ta-da! Yeah.
Nothing.
What?
Just seeing what you was doing.
Where you been, man? You're out pumping concrete.
Out pumping concrete,
You're supposed to be fixing your monster truck.
Well, I was hoping you guys
would have that
thing tore apart.
It's over there in pieces. Oh, it's tore apart.
Did you guys take shocks off yet?
You tear it apart and leave it. Thanks for letting us make a mess out of your garage.
Heck, anytime.
Alright, got the new pulleys, new belts. Everything seems to be lined up well. We'll see how it does. Get these things loaded up in the morning, so I'll catch you then. You smashed your nuts.
Yes, I did.
I know what that's all about. I've smashed my nuts many times.
So that puck's moving that easy in there.
Yeah.
What's the issue?
Smashing my nuts. It's bottoming out. We're gonna fix it.
Yeah. Departure day. We're gonna head out to Atlanta today. It's about a 10-hour drive from here. Gonna turn the semi around so it's easier. We're on a hill so we can get the tool cart and everything up in a little bit easier. So get everything loaded, we're gonna hit the road. All packed up, we're gonna hit the road, head to Atlanta. It's about 10 hours or so, probably 11 or 12, how we roll, but we'll get there when we get there, hopefully by tomorrow afternoon, so let's hit the road. So we traveled all night last night, got here, got everything tired up. The trucks are sitting in the corner, getting warmed up. We're in this beautiful new stadium. The dirt is awesome here. It's super tacky, and the ramps look so sweet. So I'm gonna bring my Xmaxx 8S out here, have some fun. Got the Brute body on there. It's got some more fun, guys. That's it, guys. Pinion came off the motor. Been having an issue with that lately, but hope you guys enjoyed this. This is some perfect dirt out here. Ramping this thing, the step up is a little too big for it. Drop a like if you guys are liking this stuff. Let me know in the comments what you want to see, guys. I appreciate everybody. If you're in Atlanta, please come out to our Atlanta events this weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Get your tickets. I want to see you here. Peace.